We're going to see how to use Senior Lingua. So the first thing you have to do is to press the button to press Senior Lingua. The first time we enter, we have to register. So we press the button registrarse. And they ask us for correo electrónico. This is our email. So I'm going to write here, for example, this one email, this email, for example, and here I accept the conditions. You can check them in the black serif, and we press siguiente. Afterwards, we have to choose contraseña to enter, and I write here, for example, this one. I press siguiente, the name, el nombre, to show. I'm going to write just this one in case of the country. The age, I'm going to put here that I'm 45. And if I'm a native speaker of Spanish, and I will say, for example, no. And here you have a screen to choose when you will be available to make or to receive calls. This means that the notifications can appear to you only in the time that you show that here. So, and this is just to establish some periodicity to make these calls to receive it. But to receive it, you have to enter in the app. So it's not that people are going to call you randomly at this time. It's just the notifications are going to show to you at this moment. So I push this, and here we have the app. Here in tema de esta semana, we can check and prepare the questions. We can see the questions. You can prepare it before the call. In ir al área personal, you can check the data you put when you in your registration process. And in iniciar una llamada, you start the call. So if you press the button, you go to a waiting room to wait for the match. Here you can see another time the questions while you are waiting for the match. And once the match is done, you can start to talk and practice.